no limit. That is the spirit of engineering. Yesterday, I saw something that changed how I view life. And engineering is a man with no hands. Yet he rides, he drives, he builds. He isn't just surviving. He is engineering his way. That changed everything for me. Ability redefined. Most people wait for perfect condition. He didn't. While others wait for him, he builds his own solutions. His motorcycle designed and built by himself without hands. But there is the real power. He didn't stop with himself. He inspired others, people with and without disabilities, to believe again, to ride again, to build again. That is more than survival. That is leadership through engineering. Engineering really means engineering isn't just formulas and wires. It is art of solving problem using creativity, logic, and hearts. This man redefined what engineering is. He had a problem, no hands. He designed around it. He delivered results that move lives. It is not a theory. It is real world innovation. Engineering needs grit. Think about it. He couldn't use tools like we do. So he engineered his own methods. He designed adaptive controls. He found a way to accelerate, brake, and steer. No hands, but full of control. That is not just mechanics. That is an electrical engineering in action. From wiring control system to think like an embedded designer. He did what we teach in classrooms by living it. Embedded system in real life. An embedded system senses, decides, acts. And that is exactly what he did. He saw a challenge. He thought through the system. He built a response that is more than impulsive. That is embedded thinking powered by purpose. The heart of electrical engineering. You don't need a fancy degree to be an engineer. You need a problem, a purpose, and the belief that you can solve it. It is not about what is in your hands. It is about what is in your head and in your heart. Tools does not make engineers. Purpose does. Real world connection. So maybe you are a student, a beginner, or someone doubting yourself. Ask yourself this. What can I build with what I have? That man didn't have hands, but he had a vision. And through engineering, he gave it wheels. He turned limitation into innovation. And if he can, why not you? Here at Phantom TDS, we don't just teach engineering. We show how the spirit of engineering can ignite transformation in your life, in your mindset, and your world. Whether you are an electrical student or just a dreamer with an idea, know this. There are no limits, only the system waiting to be designed. If this inspired you, like, share, and subscribe. Join us for more powerful stories where engineering meets a real life, and tell us in the comments what will you create with what you have. Thank you very much.